Hello students, welcome to our maths class. So in 10th class mathematics, we are continuing our chapter trigonometry, and we defined all the 6 trigonometric ratios, and we also discussed about the values of trigonometric ratios for some specific angles. And in the yesterday's class, we also studied about complementary angles. That means for 90 minus theta, sine changes to cosine, cosine changes to sine, tangent changes to cotangent, cotangent changes to tangent, secant changes to cosecant, cosecant changes to secant, like this. So complementary also we studied. If sum of two angles is 90 degrees, one is called complementary to other. If theta is one angle, other angle will be 90 minus theta. If 10 degrees is one angle, other angle will be 90 minus 10, so that it will be 80 degrees, like that. So that is about the complementary angles. And now we can complete this third exercise in this chapter, trigonometry 11.3. We have total 4 exercises. So now I am starting exercise 11.3. So see the textbooks, exercise 11.3, first question, first bit. Simplify tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. Cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Same concept. The concept is complementary angles concept. Complementary angles concept. How to simplify this? Use the complementary angles concept. So both should be in the same ratio. If this is tan, this should be also tan. If this is cot, this should be also cot. Make both of them same ratios. So in all these problems we use the same rule. So see here, tan 36 degrees by cot, I am writing 54 as 90 minus 36. What is 90 minus 36? 54 only. 54 can be written as 90 minus 36. 90 minus 36 is 54 only. Now, tan 36 degrees by cot 90 minus theta. What is cot 90 minus theta? Tan theta. Cot 90 minus theta directly will become tan theta. That is a formula. Write down that formula here. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So cot 90 minus, I will write here. Cot 90 minus theta. Once again I am writing the formula, same formula. This is the, I can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which formula I am writing? The fourth formula. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. This is the formula. So cot 90 minus theta is tan theta is how much? 36 degrees. Theta. In place of theta we have 36. Tan 36 by tan 36 cancel. Answer is 1. Same concept using the complementary angles formulas. Now, how to simplify this? I will change both into either sine or cosine, any one. So, let us keep the first one same. I am changing the second one. Any one you can change. So, 78 using the concept of 90 degrees. Always in all the problems use the concept of 90 degrees. 78 can be written as 90 minus 12. What is 90 minus 12? 78 only. 90 minus 12 is 78. cos 12 degrees minus, see the formula, first formula sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, first formula. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta is, what is theta here? 12 degrees. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta is 12. Cos 12 minus cos 12 cancel, answer is 0. Cos minus cos. Cos 12 minus cos 12 is 0. Now, cosecant 31 minus, change any one. Change this one or this one. I am changing 59. 59 can be written as 90 minus 31. What is 90 minus 31? 59 only. 90 minus 31 is 59. First one I am writing same. For 90 degrees, secant changes to cosecant. Which formula? Fifth formula. Fifth formula, secant 90 minus theta is cosecant theta. Fifth formula. Fifth formula, secant 90 minus theta is cosecant. Cosecant, what is theta? 31. Cosecant 31 minus cosecant 31, 0. Write down. Same model. Next, sin 15 degrees into secant 75 degrees. Simplify it. Tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Before we solve this, so I will try to remind you starting formulas once again. Sin theta definition is opposite by hypotenuse. Cosecant theta definition is hypotenuse by opposite. That means both are reciprocal. So sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Same way, cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent, reciprocal. Same rule for tan and cot. We studied these formulas. Sin is equal to 1 by cosecant, cosecant is equal to 1 by sin, cos is equal to 1 by secant, secant is equal to 1 by cos, tan is equal to 1 by cot, cot is equal to 1 by tan. Now, so using these first set of 6 and second set of formulas, and we can solve the remaining. See here, sin 15 degrees. Let us make this also in terms of 15. 75 can be written as 90 minus 15. All the problems we are using 90 concept, 90 minus, 90 minus. Every time we are writing one angle in the form of 90 minus. If it is having two factors, one we are keeping same, other one we are changing. 75 can be written as 90 minus 15. 90 minus 15 is 75. Sine 15 degrees into formula. Secant is fifth formula. Fifth formula, secant 90 minus theta is cosecant. Secant 90 minus theta is cosecant, theta is 15 degrees. See, if there is no relation between these two, that is nothing but multiplication. If something is not written here, it is multiplication only, so no confusion. Okay. See, 75 is 90 minus 15. For 90 degrees, secant changes to cosecant. Secant changes to cosecant of this angle. How to further simplify? I can simplify like this. Sine into cosecant is equal to 1 by sine. Cosecant is equal to 1 by sine theta formula. Second formula in the second set. Cosecant is equal to 1 by sine. Cosecant is equal to 1 by sine theta is 15. Cosecant is equal to 1 by sine. Sine theta is 15 degrees. Sine 15 cancel. Answer is 1. Simple. Using those formulas we can simplify. I am keeping the first one same till the end. The secant also same. 75 is written as 90 minus 15. For 90 degrees secant will change cosecant for 15 degrees. So that is the formula I wrote here, and it is this fifth formula. Next, cosecant is equal to 1 by sine. Why I am writing it as 1 by sine? So that we can cancel, we can simplify. Otherwise it will remain same. Cosecant is 1 by sine, sine cancel, one answer. Write down. Tan 36 into tan 50 or tan 26 into 64. See here. How to further simplify? Same complementary angles formula. Write this as same. 64 can be written as 90 minus 26. 90 minus 26 is 64. 90 minus 26 is 64. For 90 degrees, tan changes to cotangent. Tan changes to cot, angle is 26 degrees. Which formula? See, third formula. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So now, tan 26 into, further simplification, cot is equal to 1 by tan. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Tan cancel, one answer. Same. Remember that formula. Lot of formulas are involved. So lot of simplification and skill is needed. So see the procedure. See here, big problem. Tan 48, 16, 42, 74. Show that it is equal to 1. Show that this is equal to 1. Answer should be 1. Let us solve it. Take the left hand side. Left hand side 48 degrees, 16 degrees, 42 degrees, 74 degrees. I am taking the total left side and I will simplify it. I will prove that it is equal to 1. So we don't know any value. We don't know tan 48. We don't know tan 16. We know the values for 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. For this 48, we don't know tan 48, we don't know tan 16, we don't know tan 42, tan 74. So then how to simplify? So using the complementary angles concept. First, see, out of 4 terms, 4 factors, I will keep the first 2 same. I will change the second 2 in terms of same angles. So first same, second also same, third 42 can be written as 90 minus how much? 90 minus 48. 90 minus 48 is 42. 90 minus 48 is 42. Same way 74 can be written as how much? 90 minus how much? 90 minus 16. 90 minus 16 is 74. 90 minus 16 is 74. 90 minus 48 is 42. First 2 factors same. This 42 is 90 minus 48. 74 is 90 minus 16. First same. Second also same. 90 degrees tan changes to, see here, third formula, 90 degrees tan changes to cot. I am writing the formula. Tan 90 minus theta is cot of theta. So for 90 degrees tan changes to cot of 48 degrees. Same formula for 90 degrees tan changes to cot of 16 degrees. We don't know any value. How to further simplify? Tan 48, tan 16. Cot is equal to 1 by tan formula. Cot is equal to 1 by tan. 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 1 by tan. What angle? 16 only. Cot is equal to 1 by tan. What angle? 48 only. Tan 48, 148. Cancel. Tan 16, tan 16. Cancel. Answer is 1. Proved. Hence proved. We got the answer. Write down. See here, second bit. Cos 36 degrees, cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees, sin 54 degrees is equal to 0. We have to prove that answer is 0. Now, take the left side. Cos 36 degrees, cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees, sin 54 degrees. I am taking the total left side. We don't know any value. We don't know cos 36, cos 54. We don't know any value. We can't substitute. So how to further simplify it? There should be some logic. The logic is complementary angles. I will keep this first one same. First 2 factors same. Minus, I am changing these two. 36 can be written as 90 minus how much will give 36? 90 minus 54. 90 minus 54 is 36. 54 can be written as 90 minus 54 is 36. So 36 degrees. 90 minus 54 is 36. 90 minus 36 is 54. This 54 is written as 90 minus 36. 36 is written as 90 minus 54. Cos 36, cos 54. For 90 degrees, sine changes to cos. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. For 90 degrees, sine changes to cos of, what is the angle? 54. Here also 90 degrees, sine changes to cos of, what is the angle? 36 degrees. Same terms, cos 36 into cos 54, cos 36 into cos 50. Same terms, 5 minus 5 is 0, 2 minus 2 0. So this minus 0, this is 0. Same numbers, this minus this. See, don't confuse this. Cos 36 is first, cos 54 is second. So multiplication is having commutative property. 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 2 also 6. So that means cos 36 into cos 54 or cos 54 into cos 36, both are same. So a minus a, both get cancelled, 0 answer proved. So same concept, and we have again total 3 plus 4 more problems in this exercise. So we will solve them tomorrow with same concept. When you attend the class tomorrow, please practice these formulas. For 90 degrees, sine changes to cosine, cosine changes to sine, tangent is cotangent, cotangent is tangent, secant is cosecant, cosecant is secant. Sine is reciprocal of cosec, cosecant is reciprocal of sine. Same relation for cos and secant, the same relation for tan and cot. Okay. Write down, and we will conclude here. Thank you very much.